dreams of the future in my hands, building bridges across new lands. Voices rise, the world rewinds, turning vision into lines. Blueprint of change, drawn in the sky, breaking the mold, learning to fly. Freedom and structure side by side. I build the world where hope can thrive. Ideas spark in quiet light, guided by truth through endless night. Every plan begins with care, innovation shaped by those who dare. Through time and effort, dreams align, the pulse of progress feels.